Hi everyone, welcome to Kahoot tutorial. In this video, I will be sharing with you some important features in Kahoot. Kahoot is an online game-based classroom response system that can be used to administer quizzes, discussions, or surveys. Multiple choice questions are displayed on a screen, and your audience can answer the questions using tablet, smartphone, or computer in real time. This will be important as you will begin creating your own quizzes for math. So let's get started. First step is to go to Kahoot website. Click on Sign Up button. Next, it asks you how you want to use Kahoot. Click on As a Student. Then click Sign Up with Google since MCPS provides you with the Google account. This will take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard displays the following on the left side. You can create a quiz, discussion, survey, or a jumble. Jumble is a new game where your audience can place their answers in a correct order instead of selecting one answer. On the right side, Stats panel shows the number of Kahoots you created. Questions show the number of questions within the Kahoots you've created. Plays show the total number of times your Kahoots have been played by you or other users. Players represent the total number of people who've played your Kahoots. Shares show the number of times your Kahoots have been shared. Faves show how many times your Kahoots have been favorited. Recent results show you the recent results of your previous games. Kahoot Community is where you can read tips on the blog, link to Kahoot, Facebook, and even suggest an idea or feature. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz. In this feature, I will have to include a title and description of the quiz. So in the title box, I am typing 2-digit addition and subtraction quiz. In the description box, I typed a math quiz that reviews 2-digit addition and subtraction problems. Using hashtag in front of keywords will help other people to find it easily. To add an image, you can select an image from Getty Images or upload an image from your computer. I will select an image from Getty Images. Getty Images provides free images for educational use. There are different categories on the left side. Select Math, and I will choose a picture that kind of represents my quiz. So as I scroll down here, there are many different types of images dealing with math. So I'm going to select the number blocks because it has addition and subtraction symbols. I will click on the plus sign to add the image. And you'll see that it's already added on the cover image. Next, I don't have to cite the image because it's already cited in the credit resources. The other options for this quiz is to select if it's going to be visible to you or to everyone else, language, and audience. I selected school for the audience. You can even have the option to include an intro video by adding a YouTube link. This can be helpful if you want your audience to review before taking the quiz. Once I completed the introduction of the quiz, I can click on OK Go, which is located on the top right-hand corner. Next, the top portion provides the description of my quiz. Underneath the game creator, I can begin to create questions. I will click on Add a Question. When I click in the question box, a small box appears. It provides bold, italics, exponents, subscripts, and other special characters. So my first question will be 43 plus 24. For time limit, I have several options. Some students might take longer in finding an answer. I've decided to give each question about 30 seconds. Since this is a quiz, I do not need to award points. For media, I can add images, but in this case I won't. Next comes the answer choices. I will provide one correct answer and the rest should be false. At least 2 answers are needed for each question. To provide an answer, I will click in the first answer box and type it in. My first answer is 60. My second answer is 65. My third answer is 47. And my last answer is 67. To let Kahoot know which answer is the correct answer, I'll click on the check button right next to the answer. You will notice it will turn green. Once I'm done, I can click on Next. This takes me back to my quiz dashboard, which provides the description and the first question for my quiz. Here's an example of a finished quiz. Notice there are 3 icons displayed on the right-hand side of the first question. The pencil icon allows you to edit your question. The second icon allows you to make a copy of the question. And the trash bin icon deletes your question. You can also drag questions around in the order that you wish it to be. I'm going to drag question number 2 so that it can be the first question. The number of the question will change automatically. Now that we have finished creating a quiz, I'm going to click on the Save button. Notice it displays 3 options after it's been saved. You can go back to edit the quiz. You can play it or share it with other Kahooters. So let's go ahead and play our quiz. I'm going to go to the preview section. Let's go ahead and click on I'm done. And I'm going back to my dashboard where it has all my Kahoots. I'm going to go ahead and click on the actual quiz. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the 3 buttons and I can select preview. The preview allows you to see the teacher screen and the student screen at the same time. This quiz can be displayed in classic mode or team mode. I'm going to select classic mode. This is the waiting page where your peers will go to Kahoot.it to type in the game pin and their name. So I'm typing in the game pin and I'm going to click on enter. And then I'm going to type in the name. Once everyone is in, I can start the quiz. Your peers will see the problem and the possible answer choices. Once they have selected an answer on their device, the class can see how many students selected the correct answer versus those who selected the other choices. When I click on Next, everyone will have a chance to see the scoreboard and see which place they are in. I will select Next again and answer the last question. At the end of the quiz, a podium will be displayed of first, second, and/or third place winners. When I click on Get Results, I can see the results for all the students who participated. I can save the results on direct download or Google Drive. As you can see, Kahoot is a fun interactive learning tool. So be creative when you create your own math quiz.